Okay, got it.
All right. Okay, Nicholas. So I think you also have your phone with you, yeah? Take a picture of a question from the Pythagoras chapter. Open the Pythagoras chapter, find a question, preferably a difficult
It's to
looking
be,
one.
right?
To be, sorry. What to be?
Is it to be
textbook
or
is
to A?
I'm sorry, there are different textbook and I'm not very familiar with it. Go look at the table of contents first. If you see Pythagoras, then that must be it. If you don't see, tell me.
But I found it. It's in
All right, go there. First time you see this chapter, maybe.
I need to drink. I want to drink water first, can?
Yeah.
Okay, done.
All right, cool. Okay, very fast, please. Now, go to the Pythagoras chapter, open it up, look some pages, and take a random difficult looking Pythagoras question, as in take a picture lah, using your phone. Send it to my WhatsApp. Okay. I'm not asking you to find a question that you seem to be able to do. That's not very valuable here. Yeah, choose something that you cannot do lah. Okay, Nicholas, don't quickly snap one.
Question.
A random question, a random kind of difficult looking question. Oh, okay, I see something. Right.
That's not question. Oh shoot.
Let's start with this one first. Let's try. Oh wait, no, that's an explanation question. I don't want. Like really a question that they ask you to do. Right. If you want me to explain this page, I'm okay. But if not, let's just try a question. Let's just try.
There.
All right, let's see. It's a question one, yeah. Question one and question two, yeah. So, right, I'm gonna paste it in Jamboard. Okay. Right now, again, please look at your Jamboard. The question should be there. Okay, right. Look at question one. They give you everything that they are supposed to give you. They give you two sides. They tell you it's a 90-degree triangle. Pythagoras works immediately. Look. 6 square plus 8 square square root. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Now, if you press the calculator, it will be 10. So question 1, not very difficult. Question 2, immediately they make it harder. Immediately by simply not drawing it for you. Okay. They do give you all the requirements more. Two sides are 90 degree. Okay, they do give you. Now, would you kindly try to do number 2? Let me see how you will do it.
Okay.
Again, normally I can see you to do on paper, right? Normally, like currently I cannot. Maybe you take a bit of trouble. Use a mouse.
Right there, write it down, write it down.
Or you can write down, take picture. I also like that. Yes, yes, yes.
For number 2, right?
Yeah, number 2, number 2.
AC is 24 and BC is...
Share it. All right, there's some drawing here. Oh, okay. Okay.
I didn't have my calculator with me yet.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. This one, no problem. This one. Okay. Curious about your mental calculation. Can you do this without calculator? Just curious. Can you do this without calculator? Just curious.
Yeah, wait.
Right. Now, curious also, do you know what's square root 625?
Isn't it?
This one is more like you know or you don't know what. It's very difficult to calculate mentally one.
I knew it's 25.
It is 25, which is good. Okay. No expectation without the square root, you know. You must write down without the square root.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So
wait.
Let's erase that. There. Okay, there you go. Yeah, nicely. Okay, now it's okay to use calculator. I'm totally not against calculator. I think
Yeah,
you
I
should.
just cannot. I just don't have it right now.
Okay, no problem. Now let me ask you something. How do you know this is not minus? How do you know? Couldn't it be minus?
Because there's no minus in triangle.
Who said?
No.
Who said? Remember. Look. Let me draw you a random triangle. If they tell you that this is 9, example, you know, and tell you this is, I don't know, 7. This guy should be square root 9 square minus 7 square. Correct or not? It should be. Yeah, but you go ahead and put a plus here. You seem very confident. How do you know?
The plus there because if you make a triangle, right?
Yeah. If you make it here.
You want to find this one. It's a formula.
7, 5. Okay. Let's use this triangle for question 2, question 2, right? Let's use it to question 2. Okay. Again, how do you know 7 is where and 24 is where for question 2? How do you know? All right, there's an A. All right, okay, sure. Okay. Good. Okay, so by this, you know that 24/7 is not the longest side. Yeah. Because I saw that you did this B first, ma'am, and then I realized, oh, the question actually tell you this is AC. So you're reading the question. Okay, good, good. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay, let's jump directly to the practice section, like the one behind, right? The homework section. Go to the homework section or the assignment section. I don't know. Take a picture of 1 or 2 questions. Let's try it.
The homework section.
Yep.
I think an intermediate question.
Nice. But from the practice section, yeah, from the practice section.
Okay.
Okay, nice looking. Okay, let me put that in. Right. Now this is a good example of an exam level question. The triangle that they give you is not necessarily 90 degrees. Okay. In page 8, yeah, Nicholas, page 8. Let's be very clear. UTV, is it 90 degree or not? UTV triangle. Is it 90 degree?
Wait, let me see.
Yes.
UTV.
Yeah.
UTV is not 90 degrees.
All right, which therefore it means you cannot Pythagoras there. But the THU can that's 90 degrees. That one can. That's the only place where you can Pythagoras. This guy and the other guy also can. Okay, forgive my ugly drawing. So, can you find TH? Do you have any idea how to do so? Can you find TH?
TH?
Yes, that's what the question asked. No? Okay, what's your reason to divide it by 2?
Because that is an isosceles, so it'll be the same thing.
For secondary 2 is fine. Thank you. All right, then what do you do?
Can you help me?
Sorry, what do you mean? Sorry, what do you want me to help you with?
But like the calculation.
You don't have a calculator?
I don't have it right now.
Wait. The calculator is important in Pythagoras. Do you have it in your house? If you have it, go and take it. You're going to constantly need it constantly. I guess that's just how Pythagoras is. Yes.
It's
Yeah.
it's an infinite amount of decimals.
Yeah. But before you do that, sorry. Just give me the answer. Just give me the answer first.
12.3065.
Okay.
You want me to do the 3SF, right?
No. Yeah. So, and the sign must be this. Now, here's the most important thing, Nicholas, today. Here's the most important thing. Does this answer make sense?
No.
Why not? Why not? Tell me. Why not?
Wait a minute. I see my mistake.
What is it? What is it? Tell me.
I'm not supposed to divide. Like,
You're
I'm not supposed to square root it. Square root it.
Huh? Wait, what? Okay, try again.
The formula for the shortest one is the it's 9.6 wait, no, 12.3 minus 9.6 equals
Wait. You cannot use 12.3.
7.7 square minus 9.6 square.
That also does not make sense.
9.6 square minus 7.7 square.
Yeah. Good.
You know that, like,
Yeah. You can erase. Oh, sorry. Let me just erase that. Good. Okay. Now you press the calculator. See whether that makes sense or not. Do you have the answer?
uh 5.7 5.73.
All right. Okay. And the sign should be this lah. Okay. So
Yeah.
now this makes more sense. Okay. Now this makes more sense. Ken? I'm sorry. Does it make more sense to you? Does it?
Yep.
All right. Okay. So the logical mistake. Nothing wrong with the formula one. It's the logical mistake. 9.6 is the longest guy. You're trying to find either the shorter or the medium one. I don't know. We don't know actually whether this is short or medium, but must be longest minus this guy lah. It cannot be longest plus 7.7. Then you get something even longer, which according to the drawing doesn't seem to make sense, right? So there is something logical about how to use this formula, and there's also something visual about it. All right, just want to say that. Ken? Now, point B is just a little bit of, they're trying to complicate things. Do you understand the question of part B?
Not really.
Okay, then I will explain it visually. This topic is very visual, like super visual. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Point P lies on DH. Okay, so that UP is 6, or UP is 8. So here's DH. No? According to this phrase, UP, P lies on DH, Where is P, Nicholas? I mean, what do you think? What do you think? Make some guess.
He is near the T.
Yeah, so I know we don't know exactly where, but could you roughly give a position? Maybe you mark a certain position, maybe.
Oh,
Just roughly.
there.
Maybe P is there. Okay, so let's say this is the random P that we decided, but it should be around there. Maybe it's a bit up there, maybe it's a bit down there, right? That's a P. Okay. And then he tells you that UP is 8, right? He tells you that. So I'm going to add this as 8. Okay. Does P lie closer to T or H? Now, if you could know right now, you can answer already lah. In this case, your drawing say P is closer to T. In this case lah. But let me ask you first, are you certain or are you just guessing at this point?
I'm certain.
Then let me challenge you. This is another triangle which can be Pythagoras because 90 degrees. I challenge you to find PH. I challenge you. Can I do that?
What?
Challenge
Wait,
you to find
wait.
PH. Yeah.
I just forgot about the sum I made just now.
Okay.
It's actually here because this over here is 7.7, right?
It is 7.7. Yes,
And
wonderful.
8. It must be super close to it because it's 7.7.
Yeah. I like your logic. Very nice visual logic, right? Still, you have to explain. Still have to explain. Is your explanation like, oh, 8 is so close to 7.7? That's your explanation? I mean, to be fair, it's a reasonable explanation. You must say that 8 is not very close to 9.6, right? That's part of your explanation. So that there is no doubt, again, can I advise you to find PH? If it is possible, please try. Are you stuck, Nicholas?
7 points.
Hey.
Is 8.
Yeah. Are you having trouble?
Yeah.
Okay, nice, good. Okay, seems like a small number. It does seem. Okay, it does seem.
2.17.
2.17. Oh, it's actually quite big, is it? Okay, no point, 2.17. So that seems to be bigger than what I expect. Now, do you stand by your conclusion that P is closer to H?
Yeah.
Why is that
I mean,
so?
it could actually be, yeah, it's a,
Do one more calculation to can you
could be both
conclusively?
though. It actually could be both because it's
Precisely.
99.6, right? A is here.
Mhm.
It's both. It's both.
No. You must prove it conclusively. Is there any way you can use 2.17 to help you lah? If not, then it's a waste of time.
We are trying to 8. I mean,
Hmm. Is that 8 square? Is that 8 square? Is that 8 square? Yeah.
that's
Hey,
fine.
Nicholas, stop. You cannot Pythagoras that triangle. You're wrong.
Wait, because then
Because why? You must understand, you cannot Pythagoras like that. Why?
because it's the smallest one, 5.7.
No.
No.
Because it's not a 90-degree triangle. Gonna erase it for. No, this one you have to understand. If you don't understand this, you don't understand Pythagoras.
Well, it's 90 degree. What? See, I have 90
This
degree.
is 8, right? This is 8. Yeah. Yeah, but technically, aren't you using this triangle in order to find that guy? Correct or not? That's what you were doing, what? Right?
Yeah.
And that triangle is not 90-degree.
Oh.
So you cannot Pythagoras. Very important. Is that clear first? Is that clear first?
Clear.
Okay. So, but I can ask you to find pH because the other triangle, the smaller one, is 90 degrees. Also clear? You want TP, right? I agree with you. Can't you use a simpler way to find TP? I mean, you don't have to use Pythagoras to find TP. Don't you realize that you can find TP now without Pythagoras? You can do that right now already. This one is wrong because they're not 90 degrees. Nicholas, right? So sometimes your visual sense is good, sometimes it needs improvement. That's what we're doing today, right? Okay, because your logic is generally fine one. It's your visual logic. They ask you to find pH. I'm giving you a hint here, right? This is part of me respecting your intelligence. I don't tell you the answer immediately one. That's not good. You found pH, right? You know pH. There's your pH, right? Now, who is this guy again? This is just based on my advice. Who is this guy? Who is 2.17?
2.17 is this one. It's this one right here.
Okay. The name is pH. Good. Okay. I'm giving you too many hints already. Can't you find TP now?
Yeah, I can. 5.73 minus 2.17.
Yes, which is?
3.
Your conclusion is?
3.6.
Your conclusion?
pH is it's pH.
Yeah, so P is closer to H because yes, pH is just smaller than TP lah. Okay. Okay. So nothing difficult with that. You just have to activate your visual sense. Okay. Two things, yeah. You cannot apply the Pythagoras just now, and you can use another way to find it. Both relies on your visual sense. Any questions?
No.
All right. Another question, please. This is totally exam level. Totally. This is not an easy question. Definitely not. Right. Another question, please.
Okay, I'll find it.
Something challenging. Don't take too long, Nicholas. Don't take too long. Mhm. Nicholas, don't be hesitant. Send me something. We are just still learning. Send me something. Anything you send can learn one. Don't wait too long. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Question 12. Nice. Oh, yeah. Looks complicated, I suppose. Looks complicated. So many triangle. Some can Pythagoras, some cannot, right? Be careful. Yeah. Use your visual sense. YQ. Okay. Right. So many letters, right? So many sentences. Okay, let's go through them one by one. Right. Whenever the question provide you with a picture with all the details, usually it contains everything they say in English. Usually. Okay, let me show you first. Right. Triangle WXY. Is it in this picture? Yes or no? Let's go through the English and see whether it is inside the picture. Triangle WXY in the picture. Yes or no?
WXY.
Yeah. Okay. W equals to 24 in the picture.
WX equal 24. Yeah.
WY. Yeah. Okay. WYX 90 degree in the picture. Okay, that's certainly important for Pythagoras. Huh? P lies on WX such a Y blah 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 blah. This long sentence. Is it in the picture or not? The second sentence, is it in the picture or not?
P lies on WX. YP. Yeah, 90 degree.
Right. I mean, don't you feel it? Looking at the picture, easier to understand than English. You think so?
Yeah.
Right. Some people, however, do prefer the English more than the picture. It's just a different way of processing information. No problem with that. I'm just trying to make sure which one you are. You prefer to look at the picture, or you prefer to read the English, or sometimes you prefer to do both, right? Sometimes, right? Okay, there is in the picture. WP equals to 18 in the picture or not?
WP equals to 18. Yeah.
Okay. PX equals to 14 in the picture. Nicholas, in the picture or not?
PX equal 14, yeah.
Okay, last one. This is not done. Crazy, so many information, right? Q lies on YX such as in the picture or not?
QX equal 9.8, yeah.
Okay. So, because this is a very visual topic, the English is not as useful as the picture. Hopefully, the picture is currently okay for you, yeah? Not very confusing. It does look complicated, huh, to be fair. So, can you find YQ? Challenging. I must say, it is challenging. Challenging to see lah, not challenging to do. Do you think you can do it? In our tuition, whenever you think, sometimes you may say, I need a hint, I need help. Okay. Waiting for you to take the initiative.
YQ. We can get the bottom part with 18 plus.
Interesting. Very interesting. Then, oh wow.
And then after you minus that.
Yeah.
Minus.
No, you're done. Oh, your visual sense not so bad, huh? Okay, I understand. No, I understand. Your visual sense not so bad. If you remember to use it, it's good. Go and calculate that, because I think part 2 will need something else. I think XPY. Ooh.
Oh God.
Oh, it's an ugly number. Ayo. Okay, fine.
Should we only like get rid of the decimals in the last sum?
I mean, we hope so, but to be fair, Pythagoras will. You just have to accept ugly numbers in Pythagoras. It's just like that one. Just like
Shouldn't
that.
we like be doing like this? Wait. 21.16 ...
Oh, I know what you said. And what?
And then like 21.16 ... minus that one after we finally get the answer.
I agree. As in the calculator, you have this super long decimal that you shouldn't, you shouldn't throw away, right?
Yeah, you should only throw away the last sum.
Yeah. So keep it in the calculator, do this one, and then and then you get a nicer answer.
Yeah, like a better answer now.
11.4 does look about right. Yeah, it does look about right. So this is 11.4. The part B, the part 2 is not very obvious also. It's not very obvious. What do you think?
The area of XPY.
XPY.
So this is the area. Oh. Well then.
It is 90 degrees. Yes.
PQA. Oh wow. The area is 14. So PY is.
Yes. What is PY?
It's 24 and 18. You have to use 24. No, not 24. Yeah, 24 and 18. Yeah.
Okay.
15.87 blah blah blah.
Good. That blah 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 you can keep in your calculator.
Now that's the half times 14 times
this, right? Which will also give you an ugly number, but let's write it down.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, if you feel ready, let's consult the answer key. Let's see, right? Let's see.
And the answer key for 12 in 9, 8, 12 and 9.
Yep, that's 12 part 1. Yeah. 9. No, that's not 12 part 1. 12 part 1 is 11.4, right?
Yeah, it's 111, yeah.
Good. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. There are other details that I haven't explained to you, but I have covered the essentials. Remember, this is a topic that your class will cover one, and your class seems to be a good class. Please still pay attention to your teacher when he is talking about this, because I didn't cover everything. Okay, will that be okay, Nicholas? Will that be okay?
What will be okay?
I didn't cover everything about Pythagoras. I covered the essentials in Pythagoras.
That's okay. I just want the foundation.
Good. Then follow what your teacher say or whatever explain and the practices, and you will be solid. Okay, solid. At this point, we can cover. Yeah. I actually want to cover more than just Pythagoras today. If you could try a 2 hours. This is almost 1.5 hours right now. How do you feel?
I'm feeling quite tired because I'm not used to having 2 hours.
True. I am true. Now the only reason,
because I'm feeling tired because I had tuition in the morning already.
Oh goodness me. How many tuition you have?
I had
Yesterday
tuition the
you have.
entire week.
Oh goodness me. Why?
2 days, 2 days ago, right? When
Yeah.
I had the 1 hour trial of you, I had tuition that day as well.
Yeah.
Yesterday on my birthday, right? I didn't want
You have tuition. Correct.
Yesterday on my birthday, I also had tuition, but
Yeah.
but it's my birthday, so I didn't really want to have another 2 hour trial.
No, I totally agree. No, I wouldn't torture you on your birthday. That's crazy, man.
So I had this entire week from Monday to Friday, I had a 1 hour tuition every single day. But then on Wednesday it was special because I had another 1 hour trial with you. Then on Friday, now it's another special day, 101 hour, 2 hours. But I really don't 2 hours. So tiring.
Correct. I know. I of course I agree with you. Why so many tuition, Nicholas? What's happening?
Because that's the only times you can do that's the only times you can do in the holidays. So
like, are you talking about like every subject, or are you talking
every
about one
subject,
subject?
English, math, and Chinese.
Chinese I can understand. What, you have English tuition? What? Huh? Really?
English and math tuition as well.
You have another math tuition?
No, yeah, I had another math tuition before you.
Oh, the one that you say, sorry, the one that you say can stop only is, the one that cannot continue after holiday.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. But Chinese, what can we do, right? Chinese, what can we do? Okay. For today, let's just spend the 5 minutes. Like, you're feeling tired right now, right? You're feeling tired. I also want to know how you perform when you're tired. Right? Like, for example, today, I must say I'm quite happy. In school days, cannot be ideal every time. Sometimes you will be tired. So I do want to know how you feel. Let's spend the last 5 minutes talking about the possible time slot. Okay? For school days. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So Mr. Jambon. Right. So your mom say avoid Friday and Thursday. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this one. That's for you. For my case, I don't do tuition on Friday and Saturday.
Oh, that's good.
That's the off day. I think Saturday you should enjoy yourself, and Friday, our brain is a bit useless already, right? Okay, good. And Thursday also not very good, so bye bye. So currently, maybe we have 4 options, right? I think Sunday currently very crowded.
Yeah, it's for my Sunday. I'm doing homework already.
Oh, sorry. Don't get me wrong first, right? I actually want to do tuition on the times where you're supposed to study, right? So most people do study on Sunday lah. So okay, let's have tuition there because hey, your homework
Like,
is
I'm already
not,
doing almost all my homework on Sunday. So if I do tuition, that'll be really, really weird.
which is not math lah. I mean, you do have other homeworks. Then I
Yeah.
can understand. Right. No problem. Let's forget Sunday for now. And anyway, it's crowded, right? So for Monday, okay, the slot looks like this one. Oh, the problem is, do you do 2 hours or 1.5 hours? Hi. I can't tell, but maybe 1.5 hours. Maybe.
I can do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Correct. Okay, the time slot looks like this. So let's assume that it's the same for every day first, and let's assume it's 1.5 hours. Let's assume that. I think you can. However, Nicholas, this is 3 months before end of year, yeah? If I think you need more, we're gonna increase it to 2 hours. Can we agree on that?
Yeah, I can agree on that.
Okay. We'll just try first lah. We'll just try for 1.5 hours, right? Okay, so 7 to 10. So 7 to 8:30 or 8:30 to 10 lah. Okay, is 10 too late for you?
What? 8:30 to 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's way too late.
So 7 to 8:30.
7 to 8:30 is okay lah, I guess.
Does it clash with your dinner time, for example?
7 to 8:30. Wait, 7:30 to 8. 7 to 8:30.
Yeah, 7 to 8:30.
I mean, no lah, but like it'll be really weird in my other homework, but it's fine. But like what day?
Now I'm looking at the day, yeah. So I'm looking at my schedule right now. Wednesday. Shall we do a Wednesday?
Can you tell my mom?
Sorry, Wednesday.
Can you tell my mom?
I can message mom.
Okay.
We'll see what happens. Okay.
Mm.
For today, 1.5 hour. Quite happy with today, Nicholas. You're gonna see. I hope you'll enjoy your night later.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you when I see you, Nicholas. Bye bye.
Bye.